Ashato ma sadgamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. So today we will do yoga for beginners. So for beginners, in your daily practice, daily self-practice, you can add this sequence before starting the class. So here we will, few minutes we will do the meditation by observing the breath. So find any comfortable sitting position which is comfortable for you. If it's hard to sit straight, you can take blanket or bolster or block underneath your hips. Here. So when you're taking block or bolster or blanket underneath your hips, your knees is going lower than hips and hip is higher than your knees. So then you can sit straight for long without any tension. So sit quiet and stable, your hands resting on your knees and your shoulders relaxed and your chest fully open. And maintain the heaviness on your sitting bones, so do not lean forward. So legs become soft and gentle. And eyes closed. Eyes closed and mind relaxed. Relax yourself here. Now try to connect with your breath, your prana. Try to connect with your life force, your vital energy. So completely awareness on your breath and fully concentrate and observe the flow of your breath, your prana, and observe the movement of your prana. How's your prana moving in through your nose and coming out through your nose? Now concentrate on your root of the nose, your Agya chakra, the center of the forehead, the root of the nose, your Agya chakra. Join your palms to your heart center and prayer to the God for the practicing yogasana. Now bring your palms on your forehead and then rub your palms gently and create the energy between your palms and place them on your closed eyes. Open your eyes behind your palms and rotate your eyeball clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Then relax your hands. So, maintaining the spine straight, chest open. Now as you inhale, raise your hands up over the head. Keeping your hands active, and each and every finger should be active, so not to be loosened. And as you exhale, stretch your hands out away from each other and slowly down. Inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, relax your hands down. slowly and gradually. So follow your breath, inhale and follow the movement of your hands. And exhale, relax. Inhale, long deep inhalation. And exhale, long deep exhalation. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Now stay here and keep breathing, maintaining your breath longer and deeper. And keeping your hands active. Sitting bone pressing, spine long. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly as you exhale, relaxing hands down. Now come on to the tabletop position. So your hands underneath your shoulder and your knee underneath your hips. So align yourself, check your alignment, make sure your knees, hips are apart, and top of the feet also hips are apart. So your knee, shin bone, and your ankle, and your toes should be in straight line. And keep pressing the root of the fingers, so inner elbow facing each other. And keep pressing the mound of the thumb and your mound of the index finger. So these two things, the root of the big toe and the root of the index finger. So maintaining your awareness here. And draw the navel in, extend your tailbone back so there is no arch. And lift your body weight from your shoulder and lengthen your neck. So do not drop your neck down. Lengthen your neck, spine down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Do not loosen your root of the fingers, okay? Try to lift your body weight from the wrist joint. So shift your body weight towards your fingers, not all the way to your wrist. And stay here for few minutes. And then after, slowly as you exhale, drop your shoulder down without bending your elbow. Inhale, lift your shoulder blade away. And exhale, drop it down. Spine straight, inhale, only movement of your shoulder. And exhale, down. Inhale, fingers active. And exhale, down. Inhale up, now stay, keep breathing. If you're feeling tired, you can relax in Sasankasana. Or inhale, arch your back, drop your belly down, chest open. And as you exhale, draw the navel in. Round your back, chin to the chest. Inhale up, arch your back, inner elbow facing each other. And exhale, round your back, shoulder blade away from the spine. Inhale, slowly and gradually follow the movement of your spine and your breath. And exhale, round your back. Inhale, slowly. And exhale, round your back gradually. Inhale. And exhale, round your back. Now come back to the starting position, the tabletop, and keeping your big toes touching and drop your heels out. You can open your knees wide as you can, and go down all the way. And stretch your hands front, And keeping your hands active and straight, forehead resting down. If you're feeling uncomfortable here, you can place your hands beside your hips. And if it's hard to go deeper, if it's hard to sit in this position, you can also take blanket or the bolster here. Bolster or a block. So here you will sit on the block like this. Toes slightly in. Now it's hard to keeping the big toes touching. That's fine. Is a modification. So I'm sitting on the block. Here now is easy to sit here. You can increase the height and then fold forward here. You can rest your upper trunk. You can relax here for a few count or few breaths. Maintaining your inhalation and exhalation long. And release the tension from your mind and from each and every joints. And then after, come out from the pose, bolster away. If you need block, you can stay, or you can do without block. Shashankasana. Keeping your hands active and straight, palms flatter, shoulders away from the ear, or away from your neck, palms pressing. Now we will do the downward facing dog pose. So how we will go downward facing dog pose from Shashankasana? So this is the base position to get into the downward facing dog pose. So when you're going to the downward facing dog pose, keeping your hands straight, your hips resting on heel or block, and your shoulders away, spine long. Without losing your fingers, press your palm and come on to your knees. Do not disturb your hands. Your hands, same position, and keeping your knees hips width apart. And slightly lean forward and tuck your toes so that you can press in the root of the toes. And then lift your knees and back to the downward facing. You can walk your feet slightly forward if you need. Try to rest your heels down. Tilt your pelvis up, lift your sitting bones so there is no arch on your back, or there is no round on the back. So keep pushing your hips up and back. You can draw the ribs in if there is arch. If there is round, you can micro bend the knees. So have a base of your palms. So check your fingers, is it active or not? So each and every finger is active. So shift your body weight towards your fingers, not towards your wrist all the way. You have to lift your body weight from the wrist joint. Shoulders away and lift your body weight from your shoulder and from each and every vertebra. Breathing continue, longer and deeper. So this is the reset pose. So reset your body, your spine, your legs. Inhale. And exhale. Now inhale, look front and lean forward and take your right leg front. So maybe for beginners it's hard to place the right foot between your palms. Then again, you will use two blocks. Then increase the height from mat to the chest. So here, there's a two blocks. So from downward facing, lean forward, try to press your palms. So you have to use your arm strength to lift the body weight from the shoulder. Now it's easy to place the right foot between. And if it's still hard, you can turn your right knee out and your right foot between your palms. And then rest the left knee down. toes point to the horse riding pose. You can fingertips your hands, then you can more lengthen your spine. Maybe if you're pressing your palms, maybe you're hunching your back. So first, try to lengthen the spine. And keeping your back leg active, you can check your back foot. Make sure you're not dropping the heel out, the top of the foot pressing. Do not loosen your back leg, okay? If you're losing your back leg, all the pressure goes to the left knee, then it will hurt. You are hurting your left knee. Maybe you will feel the contraction of the pain. So maintaining the left top of the foot pressing, spine long. When you're keeping the back leg active, your pelvis is going to automatically close in line. And keep pressing your right foot even. Stay here for 5 count, 5 breaths. We already hold for 5 counts. So press your palms, tuck your left toe, lift the left knee again. Shift your body weight on your palms and engage your arms and your core. And take your right leg back and back to the downward facing dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now inhale, look front, take your left leg front. Rest the right knee down, toes point, horse riding, fingertips your hands. More erect your spine, back top of the foot pressing, and your left foot pressing. Feel the stretch on your right groin and your right quad. 1, try to open your hips here. Every exhalation, go deeper. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Press your palms. Tuck your right toe, lift your right knee again, press your palms, lift your body weight from your shoulder and take your left leg back to the downward facing dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now inhale, lean forward to the plank, Shantulanasana, shoulder above the wrist. Extend your tailbone, back, draw the navel, lengthen your spine, tighten your knees. Keep pressing the root of the fingers. And then slowly lower your knees down, toes point, and Shashankasana. And just relax here. Hands beside, you can use bolster block underneath your hips. Just relax here. And thank you. Say thank you to your mat, your yoga props. And thank you for your body, your breath. And thank you for the God for today's practice. So thank you everyone for watching. You can practice this sequence before starting your class. Daily self-practice. Namaste.